In this section, we are going to go over calculating your models, where to see the results, and evaluating the messages that may come with your models. Here, I have a model that is fully designed and ready to calculate. I am going to click the Calculate button here on the toolbar, or it can be selected in the System drop-down menu. To clear the results, you will just click the Calculate button a second time. Once calculated, I will be able to see the results. The results are visible in many locations. The first location is the Property grid under Device Type Results. Another place is the List View window, where you can show and hide columns and sort the data in ascending or descending order. The last place that you can see the results is on the flowsheet itself. You can show or hide the results on the flowsheet from the Device View Options section. You can find the Device View options from the toolbar here, or in the View drop-down menu. By default, the Device View Options dialog box opens with all the devices selected. To see all the available properties for just one device, click on that device's name in the Devices section of the dialog box, and set the Select Individual Properties to display on the flow sheet. Check the box for each property you want to see. Uncheck the box to hide properties. The last thing that I want to cover in this section are messages. As you can see, there are many messages for this system. The Messages window can be displayed from the View drop-down menu. There are 5 different types of messages that we provide, with the severity of the message decreasing as the number increases. The most severe message is a level 0 message. These messages are any pre-calculation checks or calculation engine errors that prevent the program from calculating any results. If a level 0 message is generated, no other messages will be displayed because there are no calculated results. A level 0 message is also a pre-calculation check, where the system is checked for invalid data and that sufficient data for calculations exist. If a pre-calculation check fails, no further calculations are performed. A level 0 message also notifies of engine errors. These are errors produced by the calculation engine. Any engine errors that occur will be displayed in the message window and will prevent the program from performing any calculations. The next level of messages are level 1 messages. These messages are based on calculated results that are invalid or a system configuration that is invalid. These results are unequivocally wrong and require close evaluation. The third level of messages is level 2 messages. These messages are based on calculated results that exceed either the limits of equipment, the limits of the equations used for the results, or input data uncertainties. There is more uncertainty with regards to the accuracy of the displayed results. The second to last message is a level 3 message. This message is based on calculated results that exceed user-specified operation limits. These are limits such as design velocity or preferred operating region of the pump. The last message level are level 4 messages. These are informational messages that may or may not be based on the calculated results. These messages provide information about the status of devices, such as isolated equipment or laminar flow conditions. In all your models, you should always have a level 4 message that describes the number of iterations and the percent deviation of each iteration. Again, this is just an informational message. That is all we need to know about calculating our models and where to find the results. For more videos in the Quick Start series, please return to the main page.